students. Have you all learned yesterday's topic? We were learning about change of state of matter, isn't it? So today I am going to present you some situations, three simple situations from your daily life. And you have to tell me at what time or at what temperature does this events occurs. Okay, so can we move to our class? Can we start our activity? Please see. First situation, dyeing of clothes. What is the first one? Drying of clothes. You have to tell me the temperature at which this occurs. We know that it is very familiar that usually during sunny days we will choose sunny days for drying our clothes, isn't it? Not a rainy day. It's more easy to dry the cloth in a sunny day. So, do you require to heat it or do you want to give some extra energy for that? No, it will occur at a normal temperature. So, I will write it as room temperature. Okay. See this. So, drying of clothes occurs at room temperature. Okay. What is happening in a drying of clothes? The water in the cloth gets converted to water vapor. It's very familiar, isn't it? So, next one is boiling of water. Boiling of water. So, does boiling of water occurs at room temperature? Very good. It do not occurs at room temperature, but it occurs only when at 100 degrees Celsius. We know that boiling of water occurs at 100 degrees Celsius. Okay. Next one is drying of clothes. Drying of clothes, drying of water split on a floor. That is, we know that when water is split on a floor, after some time it will get evaporated, isn't it? Or it will get converted to water vapor. So here also we can say that this process also occurs at a room temperature. I write it as this also occurs at room temperature. So, in all the three cases, water gets converted to water vapor. But there is difference in some temperature, isn't it? So, can we call all the three processes as evaporation? Can we call? No. We can say that the first two processes are evaporation of water, whereas the second one is what is this process called? This is called boiling. So, I am introducing to you two terms, evaporation and boiling of water or boiling. See this. What is boiling? See. What is boiling? It is the process of change of liquid into vapor at a particular temperature. What is it? It is the process of change of liquid to vapor at a particular temperature. Okay, boiling occurs only at a particular temperature. What about evaporation? It is the process of conversion of liquid to vapor at any temperature. See, at any temperature below the boiling point. So, note these two terms. Okay. So, did you get the difference between boiling and evaporation? What is boiling? Boiling is the process of conversion of liquid to vapor at a particular temperature, say at 100 degrees Celsius. Water changes to water vapor. Evaporation, the process of conversion of liquid to vapor at any temperature provided it is below the boiling point of that particular liquid. Okay. So I hope that you have understood this class. Thank you.